Many questions surround the shark, one of the world's most mysterious creatures. Are sharks endangered like the right whale and the bald eagle? Is it possible to overfish sharks, as some conservationists believe? And is it true that the only good shark is a dead one? Because sharks occupy such a vital position at the top of the marine food chain, it's important to conduct shark research. Any loss in the shark population would have a major impact on the marine ecosystem. Dr. Gordon Hubble, a shark fossil expert, explains how necessary it is to research the life and death of the shark.
It's very important that we continue with all our various research programs on sharks, not only with the fossil species, but with modern-day species, so we can better understand what makes them live and what we have to do for them to survive. Sharks are the top predator in the ocean, and anything that happens to the shark population affects virtually everything else that swims in the ocean.
Sharks are not listed as endangered, but many of the roughly 350 species of sharks are being threatened due to overfishing, finning, and other forms of exploitation. Because of negative attitudes toward sharks and a desire to exploit shark products, some fishermen have irresponsibly killed mass populations of several species. Even more alarming, some fishermen defin live sharks, then throw them back into the sea. Without their fins, handicapped sharks become vulnerable and often die. Scientists feel a need to dispel the many misconceptions about sharks. By studying them, scientists hope to reveal the shark's true characteristics and behavior patterns. But how does one study a shark? Researchers employ several methods, including observing them in the wild, conducting experiments in controlled environments, dissecting dead sharks, examining fossils, and finally, tagging sharks. Tagging, a method of attaching an identification marker to a shark's fin, is one way that scientists can monitor a shark's migration and growth without injuring the shark. Data received from tagging allows scientists to conduct studies right on the research vessel. The most common method of research is dissection of dead sharks. By doing this, scientists learn about sharks' biology, such as the way in which they reproduce. Dr. Charles Menier, a research biologist, discusses this fascinating aspect of sharks.
Sharks reproduce by 3 different methods. The first method is called oviparous, which means they lay eggs. The second method is viviparous, which means they give birth to live young. And the third method, called ovoviviparous, is actually a combination of the two, in which the egg is laid inside the mother shark and is kept there until it hatches, and then the mother gives birth to the young.
Witnessing the birth of a shark is an event that few have experienced. Yet here is a lemon shark being born. As experts learn more about sharks, they can educate the public. The challenges of studying sharks will keep researchers busy for years to come. In time, we will learn much more about these magnificent, mysterious creatures, and we will achieve a stronger appreciation for their role in the marine ecosystem.